Preparing for a demo lesson during your teaching interview can be challenging, but with the right strategies, you can deliver a confident, engaging, and effective lesson. Hello and welcome to Magnetic Learning. In this session, I'm going to share with you some very essential tips which will help you to excel in your practical demonstration lessons. So, without further ado, let's get started. To begin with, your interview demo is your opportunity to showcase your skills, confidence, and communication abilities. To make a strong impression, tips to be followed before the demo. Understand the context well. Ask questions in advance if possible, like what grade level or subject should I teach? How long the demo be? Who will the students be? Actual learners or the interview panel? Find out about the resources available like white interactive board or projectors. Knowing this helps you design a lesson that fits the expectation. After understanding the context, plan a structured lesson. Keep it simple, engaging, and focused. Hook students' interest with a question, short story, or visual in your introduction part. Then comes your instruction. In your instruction, teach one key concept clearly. Then comes your guided practice, where you need to involve students through questions or a short activity. Then comes your closure. Summarize and assess students through different activities like exit question, recap, quiz, slideshow, depending upon the need and availability of the resources. Next, you need to prepare your teaching aids, your resources for your demo teaching. Visual aids need to be simple and clear. Like for example, flashcard, or you can use tactile objects, slides. Avoid overcrowded slides. Use color and images sparingly. Chart papers, it should be clearly visible and with large font. And make sure to have backup materials in case technology fails. Building on what we just learned, the next topic is tips to be followed during the demo lesson. Tip number 1. Show enthusiasm and energy. Smile, make eye contact, and use positive body language. Perform with confidence. Start strong. Greet the class or the interviewers confidently. Briefly state your name and lesson objectives. And most importantly, speak clearly and vary your tone. Tip number 2. Engage students. Use names if possible or invite responses like who can tell me? Praise participation like good thinking or I like how you explained that. If your students are interviewers, still involve them. Make it fun. Eye contact is very important. Use eye contact to build rapport. Tip number 3. Demonstrate differentiation. Mention how you'd support different learning levels. If a student struggled with this, I'll use a hands-on example like prepare well before you go for your practical demonstration. Tip number 4. Classroom management. Show calm authority, gentle redirections if students get off task. Use routines, hand signals, countdowns or proximities. Okay, now what proximity is? Proximity control is a non-verbal classroom management strategy where a teacher uses their physical presence and movement to prevent and address minor disruption without disturbing the classroom. This is the picture showing you hand signal and proximity where the teacher just goes and stands near the student without disturbing the classroom. Tip number 5. Check for understanding. Ask open-ended questions or quick formative checks. Thumbs up if you understand, or can someone summarize what we learned? Let's transition to our next point, which is tips to be followed after the demo to leave a lasting impression. Tip number 1. Reflect briefly. Interviewers may ask questions like, how do you think it went? Or, what would you change next time? Be honest and reflective. Remember, they are judging you as a teacher, not your script. So you can answer, I'd like to include a few more student-led examples next time, but I think the activity helped reinforce the concept. Tip number 2. Connect to the school's values. Do a proper research before you go for your interview about the school. Mention how your lesson fits with the school approach, like inquiry based or inclusive or technology friendly. So all this research work which you will do about the school before your demonstration will help you to connect to the school's value. And now here I share with you some bonus tips which are designed to help you enhance the effectiveness of your lesson delivery and engage your students more actively. Tips to get hired. Time yourself and practice transition. Time yourself during practice. Time yourself means to measure or record the amount of time you're spending in the delivery of the lesson, and practice transition between lesson parts. Practicing transition helps your students stay engaged, understand how each section connects, and follow your content without confusion. Tip number 2. Be authentic and show confidence. Honest and reflective. Being authentic means showing up as your real self, your natural voice, your personality and style, rather than trying to perform or imitate someone else. And showing confidence here means showing confidence helps your students or the interviewers trust you and stay engaged. Confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about appearing calm, prepared, and in control of your presentation. You can show confidence by standing in correct body, by showing correct body language, making eye contact, speaking clearly, and using purposeful gestures. And the next step is bring a printed copy of your lesson plan for your interviewers. Hard copy of lesson plan, which is very important. Thank you for watching. If you have found the session to be interesting and helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. And for more related content, feel free to explore the recommended videos link provided in the description box. I'm sure you're going to find them useful too. Until then, keep learning, keep growing.